पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी के प्लेसमेंट्स का कोई रिप्लेसमेंट नहीं, इसलिए टॉप कंपनीज की फर्स्ट चॉइस। आप तो समझ ही गए होंगे। जॉइन पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी, वडोदरा, गुजरात।
Hello students, the wait is finally over. The Meghalaya Board of School Education MBOSE has officially announced the MBOSE SSLC result 2025 date and time. If you appeared for class 10 exams this year, mark your calendars. The results will be declared on April 5, 2025 at 11 a.m. You can check your results on the official website mbose.in or directly on JagranJosh. Stay tuned as we guide you on how to check your Meghalaya Board SSLC results and download your mark sheet. So, where can you check your MBOSE 10th results 2025? The board officials have provided multiple platforms for students to access their marks easily. The results will be available on www.mbose.in, www.mboseresults.in and www.megresults.nic.in and JagranJosh.com. At 11 a.m. on April 5, 2025, the direct link will be active. Students should keep their roll numbers ready to check their scores without any delay. Now, let's take a look at how to download your MBOSE Class 10 mark sheet once the results are announced. Follow these simple steps. Step number 1 is visit the official website mbose.in or megresults.nic.in. Number 2, click on the link that says MBOSE 10th result 2025. Then enter your MBOSE board roll number in the login window. After that, your mark sheet will appear on the screen. And step 5, download and save your mark sheet for your future reference. Remember, the mark sheet will not be available at MBOSE offices in Tura or Shillong. So students must check their results online only. If the official website is slow due to heavy traffic, don't worry. You can also check your result SSLC, Meghalaya result SSLC 2025 on Jagran Josh. Just visit JagranJosh.com or JagranJosh.com/results, enter your roll number and download your mark sheet instantly. We'll also provide direct result links for quick access. Stay updated and don't forget to subscribe Jagran Josh for instant notifications and analysis on Bihar board results. So that's all for now. Best of luck for MBOSE SSLC results. We hope you achieve great results. Do share your scores with us in the comments down below and let us know your thoughts. For more updates on education, board exams, results, current affairs or any education related topic, stay connected with Jagran Josh. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.